Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program in Python that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will divide the two given numbers, and then our program will ask the user another one, yes or no. Before we continue, I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Rubilin, who are one of our avid viewers and supporters in my channel. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly mention your name and shout out. If you are new with my channel and then you like the content of this video, please thumbs up, click the like button, and don't forget to support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here while true colon, so print divide two numbers in Python, print. In this line of code, line number 6 to 7, we are asking the user to give first number and second number. The first number will be stored in variable num1, the second number in num2, and then we divide. Division equals num1 over num2, and then we have here print value division of curly bracket 0 and curly bracket 1 is curly bracket 2, format num1 num2 in division. And then our program will ask the user another one, yes or no, while or continue lowercase, not in yes or no, the word yes and no. If yes, it will return, run again our program. If no, it will display the message, thank you for using this software, print and break statement to terminate our program. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so let us run the code. By the way, I'm using PyCharm in writing this program. Divide two numbers in Python, enter first value, we have 6, second value, we have 2. The division of 6 into is 3. Another one, yes or no, yes. We have 70, and then we have 4. So the division of 70 and 4 is 17.5. Another one, yes. First number we have 6, second number we have 3. The division of 6 and 3 is 2. Another number, yes or no, no. And then thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about divide two numbers in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.